I got thirsty.
ሰላም እንዴት ናችሁ? ይህ የዛናንያ ዩቲዩብ ቻናል ሲሆን በመሰራቸው ቪዲዮዎች ላይ ሐሳብና አስተያየት ካላችሁ በቪዲዮዎቹ ኮሜንት ላይ ልታስቀምጡልኝ ትችላላችሁ። አሁን ወደ ቪዲዮ እንሂድ። በቺካጎ ኢላኖይ ሁለት የተለያዩ የወንጀል ግሩፕ አባላቶች የሆኑ ሰዎች በሶሻል ሚዲያ ላይ መፈላለግና መዛዛት ጀመሩ። እነሱም በሶሻል ሚዲያ ላይ አንድ ሁለት ከተባባሉ በኋላ ሁለት የአንድ ግሩፕ አባላቶች መኪናቸውን በመያዝ የተቃራኒ ግሩፖች ሰፈር ይሄዳሉ። እዛም ሲሄዱ ሁለቱም የታጠቁ ሲሆን አካባቢው ላይ ያገኙትንም አንዱ ሹፌር ሲሳደቡ ይታያል። እና ግን ትንሽ ከሄዱ በኋላ አንድ ምስኪን ሰው ላይ ይተኩስበታል።
See where we at? Fucking say we hiding. Why? How the fuck we hiding, bro? Our top's on. Our top is gone. How the fuck are we hiding? You can't even miss us.
Okay, you ain't lying.
It's the fucking nicest car driving through these streets. Red leather seats. And yes, I had got that bitch ready. One in the chamber. Where they at? Person.
Neighbors are scared of us.
Free my boy Looney.
Get him out. We gonna get Loon Dog out for sure. Nobody above us. Nobody to root for us.
And unlike them ass cops that serve and protect, we swerve and prospect. Catch up.
They can't protect you from us, that's for sure. They gonna get it too, they getting away.
Y'all bitches better get bulletproof vests and bulletproof helmets.
Yeah, they telling everybody they running. Yeah, I catch one of them. I catch any motherfucker out here, Butterboy. That's that.
And if you don't hear about it on the news, something's wrong.
We got one up here. What you is?
What you is? Huh? You ain't
roll up.
Alright, this World's Hood, homie. I got thirsty.
Nigga spook. See y'all niggas spook? See y'all niggas act when we right up on them? Y'all talking that shit. Promise you that nigga was something. Wasn't no fucking neutron. Y'all was talking about we beating up our neutrons. We was beating up our neutrons. Big homie was got socked the fuck up. Why shouldn't I blast you right now?
Blast me, hey, bro.
Why shouldn't I blast your ass?
Nigga,
Huh?
you my brother, man. I ain't got nothing against you, man. Why would you do that?
Shut up, bitch. Shut up.
በቀጥታ ስርጭት የተቀረጹ ሹፌሩ የሆነው ማሪዮ ሄንሪኬዝ አንድን በጸብ ውስጥ የሌለን ግለሰብ ተኩሶ ይመታዋል። ግለሰቡ ባልታሰበ ሰዓትና ቦታ ነበር የተገኘው። ነገር ግን በሚያስደስት ሁኔታ ሹፌሩ የሆነው ማሪዮና ተሳፋሪ የሆነው ኤድዋርድ ታስረው በመሳሪያ ጥቃት በማድረስ እና የሰውን ሕይወት አደጋ ላይ በመጣል በሚሉ ክሶች በ2019 15 ዓመት እስር ተፈርዶባቸዋል። የተተኮሰበት ግለሰብም እግሩን ስለሆነ የተመታው ብዙም ጉዳት አልደረሰበትም። በፔንሲልቫኒያ የአንድ ሰፈር ልጆች በመሰብሰብ በራፕ ዘፈን የሌላን የጋንግ ቡድኖች እየዘለፉ የሚቀርጹ ቪዲዮ ባልታሰበ መልኩ ይበጠበጣል። ራፕ ዘፈናቸውን በሚቀርጹበት ወቅት ከጀርባቸው ተኩስ ተሰማ። ተኳሾቹም በራፕ ዘፈኑ ላይ የሚዘለፉት ግሩፖች ነበሩ እና እነሱ መተው መተኮስ ጀመሩ። እነዚህም በአጸፈው መተኮስ ጀመሩ።
Welcome home, baby girls. We just bust some more blocks. You got some more skills.
3 ሰዎች ተተኩሶባቸው ወደ ሆስፒታልም ተወሰዱ። በሚያስደስት መልኩ በዚህ ተኩስ ማንም አልሞተም ነበር። ፖሊሶችም በዚህ ጉዳይ ላይ ተጠርጣሪ የሚሏቸውን 2 ሰዎች ያሰሩ ሲሆን ሌሎችንም ካሉ እያፈላለጉ ይገኛሉ። በኖቬምበር 5 2017 ቴክሳስ እሁድ ቀናቸውን በቸርች ላይ አሳልፎ በሄዱበት አንድ አስደንጋጭ ነገር አጋጠማቸው። የተለያዩ ቤተሰቦች ወደዚህ ቸርች አምልኮ ሊያደርጉ ተገኝተው ነበር እና ግን አምልኳቸውን እንደጨረሱ 26 ሰዎች ተገደሉ። በዚህም በአሜሪካ ታሪክ ትልቁ በቸርች ውስጥ የተፈጠረ ትልቁ ተኩስ የሚል ስም ተሰጥቶታል። ተኳሹ የነበረው ግለሰብም ከተኩሱ በፊት ራሱን እየቀረጸ ሲያለቅስና እድሜ ልኩን ሰዎች እንደሚቀልዱበትና እንደሚያንቋሽሹት በመናገር አሁን ለሚፈጽመው ዘግናኝ ተግባር መንስኤው እንደሆነ ያስረዳል።
This is not the first mistake, and this is not the last mistake, and there's probably plenty to come, unfortunately. And I try to strive my best to not get to that place. You know, ever since I was a kid, I had problem controlling it. I felt things weren't fair. I hit people, and yell. I was bullied as a kid. I got tired of it in about 6th grade, picked on and decided I was going to be the top dog, apparently, you know. And you don't realize how every little thing you do affects your future.
We begin tonight with that breaking news, a mass shooting at an American church. A gunman opening fire during a service at the First Baptist Church in Sutherland Springs, a tiny town just southeast of San Antonio. At least 26 people were killed, including the pastor's own 14-year-old daughter. At least 20 others injured, many of them airlifted to nearby hospitals. FBI special agents now on the scene, and this just in, law enforcement officials have identified the suspect as Devin Kelly. You see him there. An entire town in shock as they learn the devastating news. This massacre is now the deadliest church shooting in America and the 4th deadliest mass shooting behind Las Vegas, Orlando, and Virginia Tech.
The shooter who died after a car chase was 26 years old. He had served in the Air Force but was court-martialed for assaulting his wife and child, then discharged for bad conduct in 2014. One of the big questions given that record, how did he buy a gun?
በዲሴምበር 28 2017 ካንሳስ ለ911 ታይለር የተባለ ልጅ ቤተሰቦቼ እየተጣሉ ነው ድረሱልን ብሎ ይደውላል። ፖሊሶችም ወደ ተባሉበት ቤት በፍጥነት ደረሱ። ነገር ግን ራሱ ታይለር አባቱን ጭንቅላቱን ብሎ በመግደል መላ ቤተሰቡን አግቶ ይዞ ነበር። የካንሳስ ፖሊሶች ያላወቁት ነገር ቢኖር ታይለር አስቀድሞ የነገራቸው ነገር ውሸት መሆኑን ነበር። ታይለር ፖሊሶች የደረሱበት ቦታ አልነበረም የሚኖረው። እሱም ለፖሊሶች በኦንላይን ላይ የተጣለውን ግለሰብ ቤት ነበረ ተናግሮ ያስከበበው። ፖሊሶችም ይህንን አያውቁም ነበር። እነሱም የዚህን ምንም የማያውቅ ግለሰብ ቤት በመክበብ በሚያሳዝን ሁኔታ ሕይወቱን ቀጠፉለት። ይህ ግለሰብ አንድሬው ፊንች ሲባል በመላ ነገሩ ላይ ምንም ተሳትፎ አልነበረውም።
They were arguing and I shot him in the head and he's not breathing anymore.
Do you have any weapons on you?
Yeah, I do.
What kind of weapons do you have?
A handgun.
What kind of handgun is it?
I don't know, it's my dad's.
What color is it?
It's black. I'm just pointing the gun at them, making sure they stay in the closet. My mom and my little brother.
Okay, is there any way you can put the gun up?
No. Are you guys sending someone over here? Because then I'm definitely not going to put it away. I already poured gasoline all over the house. I might just set it on fire. Do you have my address correct?
Walk this way! Walk! Walk this way! Walk!
To a swatting case making national headlines, a defendant in California sentenced to 20 years in prison for making phony 911 calls across the country. One of those calls leading to the deadly police shooting of an innocent man about 1,400 miles away.
In 2017, Barris thought he was swatting the home of a video game rival after a fight over a bet for $1.50. But police swarmed Andrew Finch's home, an innocent man with no connection to the game. He was shot and killed by police who thought he was reaching for a gun.
There are no words to express the toll it's taken.
Finch's family now wants the police department held accountable, while prosecutors in Kansas hope Barris' stiff sentence sends the message that swatting is no game.
በስዊድን አንድ ትምህርት ቤት በአገሪቱ ታይቶ የማይታወቅ ዘግናኝ ጭፍጨፋ ይፈጸምበታል። የቀድሞ የትምህርት ቤቱ ተማሪ ነበረ ሪቻርድ አንደርሰን የተባለ ተማሪ ወደ ትምህርት ቤቱ ታጥቆ በመግባት ተኩስ ከፈተ። ተማሪዎችና መምህራንም የተለያዩ ቦታዎች ላይ ለመደበቅ ሲሞክሩ ነበር። ብዙዎች የተማሪ ከሰው ጋር እንደማይግባባና የአእምሮ ሁኔታውም ተደማምሮ እልሁንና ንዴቱን በዚህ ትምህርት ቤት ተማሪዎች ላይ እንዲወጣ እንዳደረገው ተናግረዋል። ሪቻርድ አንደርሰን የ10 ሰዎችን ሕይወት ከቀጠፈ በኋላ የራሱንም ሕይወት አጥፍቷል። ይህም ጥቃት መላው ስዊድንን ትልቅ ድንጋጤ ውስጥ እንዲገቡ አድርጓቸዋል።